In this video, we will show you how to fix iPhone black screen, including quick and deep fixes. Method 1. Charge iPhone. If your iPhone shows a black screen, try charging it with an Apple-certified cable or wireless charger, and if the issue persists, consider replacing the charger, cable, or battery. Method 2. Force reboot iPhone. Follow the instructions to force reboot your iPhone. Method 3. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset all settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Method 4. Update iOS system. Go to General, Software Update. Update the system to the latest version. Method 5. Restore via iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer and run iTunes. Click Summary. Turn off Find My on your iPhone. Restore iPhone. Method 6. MagFone iOS System Recovery. Use MagFone iOS System Recovery to fix deep system glitches. Download and install MagFone on your computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Launch MagFone. Click iOS System Repair. Start. Choose Standard Repair. Your device will be detected automatically. Select a feasible firmware and download. After successful download, click Start Standard Repair. Wait for the program fix your iPhone dictation not working. Click Done to finish.